and welcome to today's workout. So this is the very first workout of this week, and this is going to be a glute workout with a slight focus on the glute med. And for that, we're going to be using a resistance band. I'm going to be using my light fabric resistance band. If you don't have these fabric resistance bands, you can use whatever you have, the rubber bands or elastic bands. But I do highly recommend that when you have a chance that you get one of these because they're very durable, they're long lasting, they won't roll up or down your legs. And I just love using these for glute med activation. The exercise we're gonna be doing, again, will be focused a little more on the glute med, just because the glute med tends to get really weak and it leads to piriformis issues and lower back pain. And the other thing we're gonna need is medium weight, if you do have some weights. So pick up a 10-pound dumbbell or a 5-pound dumbbell, whichever you feel comfortable with. That will be for a later exercise for the bridges. We are going to take a slight break in between. Please, at any point, if you want to take a break and take a few deep breaths, do so. There's no need to rush through these workouts. I always encourage you to focus on each contraction, on each rep. And it doesn't matter if you don't do the whole time. If you just do few good quality repetitions, that's what we're aiming for. So you don't have to actually, like if you're aiming for 12, you don't have to do the whole 12. If you do 5 good slow repetitions, that's way better than doing a lot of exercises, just rushing through them and not really focusing and feeling the muscles working. So I hope you will enjoy this amazing glute activation and glute strengthening workout, and let's get started.